Most people don't realize there's a simple rule that can help you avoid underpayment penalties. As a certified financial planner and tax practitioner with over 2 decades of experience in finance and tax, I help clients navigate these rules all the time. The short answer is, if you owe more than $1,000 at tax time, you could be subject to underpayment penalties. But there are safe harbor rules that protect you from these penalties. You can avoid penalties if you pay the IRS at least 90% of this year's tax liability or 100% of last year's tax liability via payroll withholdings or estimated taxes. That 100% safe harbor rule goes up to 110% if you make more than $150,000 a year. Here's a few examples, assuming that you make more than $150,000 in each of the years. If your tax bill is $40,000, but $36,000 was withheld from your paychecks, you're going to owe $4,000. However, there won't be any penalties because at least 90% of your tax liability was prepaid. Now, in year 2, let's say you had a one-time event, such as an RSU vesting, or you exercise some stock options, and now your tax bill is $80,000 a year. But your employer only withheld $60,000 a year. A pretty common scenario with stock compensation, by the way. $60,000 is not 90% of this year's tax liability, but it does exceed 110% of last year's tax liability. So you're good. Now in year 3, let's assume that it's identical to year 2. You get the same RSU vesting, the same stock option exercise, and again, you owe $80,000 as your tax liability, and $60,000 was withheld. In this case, you will get dinged with penalties because you did not pass either of the safe harbor tests. What's the solution? Either increase your payroll withholdings through your employer, or make quarterly estimated tax payments, which are due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. You could also make the estimated payment all at once. If you want help with tax preparation or tax planning, schedule a call with me through the link in my bio. If you're not quite ready for that, click subscribe to see more short videos like this. Thank you.